Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your XDC tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of sending XDC from Bitrue to Kucoin. This step-by-step guide is designed to be straightforward, so even if you're new to this, you'll be up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Kucoin, and that you've verified your identity if required. Security is key in crypto. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your XDC balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, switch to your Kucoin account. Go to the Assets page, search for XDC, and select Deposit. This will generate a unique deposit address for XDC. Copy this address carefully, as you'll need it for the next step. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like the XDC network, to avoid any transaction failures. Now, back on Bitrue, select Withdraw for your XDC. Paste the deposit address from Kucoin into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits, and don't forget to review the network fees. They can add up. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. This includes the address, the amount, and any two-factor authentication codes if prompted. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a transaction ID, so keep that handy. After that, head back to Kucoin and check your deposit history or assets page. It might take a few minutes for the XDC to show up, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your XDC. A quick word of caution: always use reputable exchanges, enable 2FA, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.